In today's video, I'm going to show you Krazy Klean Automatic Toilet Cleaner. Is KrazyKlean.com legit or scam? 2026. The Krazy Klean Automatic Toilet Cleaner, sold through KrazyKlean.com, is a real product and website. It isn't a case of a non-existent item, but independent customer feedback strongly suggests it does not live up to its advertised claims, and many buyers consider it a waste of money or even a scam-like purchase. On Trustpilot, the product holds a very low overall rating, 1.4 out of 5, with numerous negative reviews describing poor performance, continued toilet rings, and ineffective cleaning, even after following instructions and thoroughly cleaning first. Many users report it didn't prevent stains, didn't make toilets cleaner, and sometimes even left weird residue, and that they still had to scrub manually as before. A consistent theme in reviews is that the 10-year effectiveness or promise of never needing to clean again is false. Advertising users say the blue cleaner tablets wear out quickly, sometimes within weeks, don't stop hard water stains, and fail to justify the price. Some buyers also report poor customer service, difficulty getting refunds, or being offered ineffective boosters instead of solutions. Reddit discussions echo these sentiments, with many voices calling Krazy Klean a scam or ineffective product, noting multiple purchases that didn't improve cleanliness and even potential charging issues. A few isolated users claim it helped with specific water conditions, but these are rare compared with the volume of poor experiences. Some website safety checkers suggest the site itself may not be inherently dangerous to visit or order from, but that doesn't validate the product's effectiveness. The positive trust signals don't make up for the overwhelming negative user experiences and unmet advertising promises. Bottom line, Krazy Klean is not a proven energy-saving or miracle toilet cleaner, and most independent buyers say it doesn't work as advertised. Thank you for watching this video.